Hey there, wonderful people. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best 4K drones, perfect for capturing stunning aerial shots and exploring the skies with ease. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot or just starting, these drones are packed with features that make them stand out. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for more details. Let's explore these amazing drones, carefully chosen based on ratings, reviews, durability, and performance, to help you find the perfect companion for your adventures. Number 5 is the L600 Pro Max 4K drone, an impressive machine designed for stability and precision. With a 3-axis gimbal for smooth camera control and GPS functionality, it's built to handle outdoor conditions with ease, even in winds up to level 5. It boasts a flight range of up to 3,000 meters and a flight time of 28 minutes, giving you plenty of opportunity to capture breathtaking footage in 4K UHD resolution. Its brushless motor ensures quieter and more efficient operation, while the app-controlled features make piloting intuitive and fun. The L600 Pro Max comes with all essentials like a remote controller, batteries, and operating instructions, making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable drone for aerial photography. Number 4, the Xiaomi Mijia V168 4K drone, a lightweight yet powerful option that delivers 8K video recording for stunning visual clarity. With a flight time of 25 minutes and advanced obstacle avoidance features, it's designed for seamless and safe operation. This drone is perfect for capturing dynamic shots thanks to its wide compatibility with multiple app-supported languages and Wi-Fi connectivity options. It weighs just 232 grams, making it easy to transport while maintaining exceptional performance. The built-in GPS ensures accurate positioning, and the removable battery adds to its convenience. Whether you're flying for leisure or professional purposes, the Mijia V168 provides top-tier performance at an accessible price. Number 3. The third spot is the SJRC F22 S2 Pro plus 4K drone, a highly versatile device equipped with 4K HD recording capabilities and a 120-degree wide-angle camera for expansive shots. Its GPS GLONASS dual mode ensures precise navigation, while features like electronic image stabilization and a 5G Wi-Fi image transmission range of 3,500 meters make it ideal for long-range filming. The drone is equipped with a 6-axis gyro for stable flight and supports TF cards for extended storage. It's an excellent choice for anyone looking to take their drone photography to the next level with optical zoom, intelligent flight modes, and superior build quality. Number 2. The L200 Pro Max 4K drone shines with its compact design and powerful features. Equipped with a 2-axis gimbal stabilizer and laser obstacle avoidance, it's built for safe and smooth flights. The drone offers an impressive flight distance of 3,000 meters and a maximum altitude of 120 meters, perfect for capturing incredible aerial views. With dual cameras that include a 4K front camera and 720p bottom camera, it's versatile enough for a range of shooting scenarios. The foldable design makes it portable, while its brushless motor ensures durability and quiet operation. For those seeking a user-friendly drone with professional-grade features, the L200 Pro Max delivers exceptional value. Finally, at the top of the list is the Fimi Mini3 4K drone, a compact powerhouse that combines portability with unmatched performance. Weighing just 249 grams, it's perfect for travel while still offering high-end features like 4K HD video recording and a 48 megapixel camera. It's capable of withstanding winds up to 30 kilometers per hour, ensuring stable performance in challenging conditions. The drone supports multiple languages, making it accessible for users worldwide, and features GPS for precise control and navigation. Its 1/2.0-inch sensor ensures sharp, vibrant images, while its sleek design and long-lasting flight capabilities make it a top pick for drone enthusiasts. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to stay updated on the latest product reviews and recommendations.